It means some manipulations are done. So either we can, so as far as accuracy is concerned, as far as performance is concerned, machine learning based techniques are more effective rather than transformation based or pixel based approach. Is this clear to all of you up to this point? Is it clear to all participants? In chat window, kindly confirm. Up to this point, is it clear to all of you, whatever we are covering here? Video short boundaries. Now we have some implementations. Okay, so these links I have given. So this is template matching. Also, we can perform template matching. These are the by which we can perform, that is template matching. So we can create a template. For example, one template we have created for one stadium. Okay, any sample we can take stadium X, template X of template 1 of stadium X, and then all videos we want to check. So we will see PSNR, SSIM, structural index similarity index, peak signal to noise ratio, PSNR. If you are working in image processing, you might be knowing better. What is PSNR? What is SSIM? Matching a patch of multimedia related to a specific tournament activity. All images, all videos are trained, and then we are checking new videos or morphed videos, whether it is modified or not. And this one is the process workflow, video short boundary detection. This one is the workflow. So obviously conversion of video frames. So if we are working in pixel based or histogram based, if we are working in machine learning based, in that case what we will do, we will come to pre-processing, feature point, feature extraction, after feature extraction we will go for training a model, naive bayes classifier, Gaussian naive bayes classifier, KNN approach. We want to go for random forest approach, support vector classifier. We want to go for convolutional neural network, GRU, or generative adversarial network. What we want to do, that model we will insert. After feature extraction, we will insert the model in machine learning based approach. Otherwise, if we are working in histogram based approach, we will directly go for similarity measurement. Okay, and detection post processing. In post processing, we go for false positive, true negative, false negative. So that is your confusion matrix. Okay, in machine learning also we can generate a confusion matrix, but nowadays explanatory machine learning or explanatory AI is available. It generate confusion matrix automatically. Now we will see some demonstrations. So this PPT I'm sharing, I'm saving in that folder, and now I will start the demonstration part. Workflow, and we will see demonstration on different video files. I'm having some MP4 MPEG files for demonstration. So I'm creating a folder in which all scripts will be available so that you can follow it. Now, dear participants, we are starting this demonstration in video shorts. So video scene short boundary detection. First of all, I'm showing you that sample video. So this is the video. So it is 9 MB file. This one is file. This one is the video of around 9 MB. And on this, I want to see abrupt changes. So first of all, I will mute I will mute it. Okay, so this one is the video. That is, it is the streaming from Chanakya serial. Okay, so this one is the one shot, and after that another shot will be there. This is another shot, and now I want to identify after how many frames video shots are video shots are extracted. Okay, so this is very small video I have taken, and from this video of two of this one, you can see we want to check, we want to extract the frames, detect scenes. So this is source code v.mp4 file from that episode, and in output folder we will be having all frames. CV2, this is CV2, computer vision OpenCV, and obviously, so in first point I have shown you background subtractor. So we have to see background subtractor. So you can see that this one we are using background subtractor, and this script is making use of different approaches: erode, dilation, so that some particular pixels can be highlighted. If you want to perform it on drone, on real-time video, it can be done. Okay, so for example, this one, and CD video shot, Python detect video and detect scenes. You will see, so you can see that foreground percentage and how many scenes will be identified. So you can see that now at this point, some pixel values, some foreground percentage is getting modified. As soon as there is abrupt change, as soon as there is change in frame, its foreground background will be modified. So if I'm stopping it here, okay, now I want to stop it, and in boundaries.txt file, so this one is the output. So at which frame there is change, this is video shot. Up to this point, it means for one shot is from 0 to 121 frame. After that, what is the frame? And in output, so you can see that in outputs, which are different scenes extracted. So in between this particular implementation, I have stopped because it will take lots of time. It is a long video. Any other video we can take, for example, this one, sample video dot mp4, and here detect scene. So this is a classical approach, at which point it will be modified. So you can see that this one in last points, in last frames. If you want to see individual components, so this script also I'm saving. If I want to see some machine learning based approach, some approach related to edge detection, so pixel based detection, pixel based shot detection. This one is the implementation, pixel based. On same video we are performing v.mp4. So each and every comment I have put, so with every script, with every syntax, I have placed the comment. So this one is grayscale. We have converted to grayscale, and after that, absolute differences. Absolute differences between the frames and some of the differences, and load a video. And after loading the video, we want to see with a threshold how much threshold is there. Depending upon that threshold, video shot. Python pixel based detection. And it will access that file and short boundary detected as soon as at which, so we can print that location. So at this frame, so we can print here the frame number. So up to this point, so in this code, we can place the frame number at which frame video boundary or short boundary is detected. So you can make changes to this code as per your convenience, as per your research objectives. Video short boundary. So if it is greater than the threshold, in same way, if we want to go for this one, for example, edge based detection. So wherever, so currently it is in this format, in raw format. So we can specify the frame numbers, as in previous we have seen some frame numbers. And this is the major machine learning based short detection. This one is major part. In this, we have used logistic regression on a video data set. So currently I'm using only single image. So we can find the labels. Okay, any number of images, for example, n number of videos we have taken, and those n number of videos we want to train in supervised learning model. So ML short detection, and so you can see this sklearn is used. So you can use classical machine learning with scikit-learn, or you can use deep learning with the TensorFlow, with Keras, and it will, and within this we will be able to generate accuracy. How much accuracy is there? Accuracy 1 means 100%. So it is taking time because it is training that particular model. So you can see accuracy 1. Edge detection, this one. Machine learning based or boundary, or if you want to go for So data set. So in this, you will get that particular data. These scripts I'm sharing, I'm placing in that folder so that after this session I will be on this sample video. So this one is sample video. Dear participants, kindly mute your mic. Some mics are on. Dear participants, some mics are on. Kindly your mic. Okay, so this one. If you want to save this data set, so this one is the data set. So boundaries and so related to a particular tournament, related to specific event or particular place.
क्या सब्जी क्या है?
So you can do it. Now, dear participants, I'm sharing this presentation as well as code so that you will be able to work on it. I'm uploading this presentation as well as the source codes. Participants, link presentation and source code I have shared in chat window. Kindly confirm is it downloadable or not. Kindly confirm whether this presentation is downloadable or not. Simply click on the link given in chat window and download this presentation and kindly confirm is it downloadable or not. And session is open for your queries. If you have any query, you can ask. Any query from participants, any point of discussion. I think as per the schedule, there will be valedictory session. You can ask the coordinator about the valedictory, whether this will be the valedictory or after the break, after lunch break, it will be valedictory session. You can ask. Okay. Any participant who wish to communicate any query, if you have any point of discussion, any query, you can ask any suggestion related to this session. And I have shared a presentation of this session in chat window. There is one query related to scene and shot. As far as scenes and shots are concerned, shots are part of the scene. Okay, within video we have different scenes and shots. Within scenes we have multiple shots. However, many times these are interchangeably used depending upon the camera. In high-end camera, in high-end capturing devices, scenes and shots may differ. Any other query from participants? After that, we will conclude this session. So dear participants, if no query, then we are concluding this session. Thanks to all of you for listening carefully, and I thank to all of you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. So dear participant, thank you for joining this course. Now we are concluding this course, and we believe now you got learning about this OpenCV course. All credit goes to all of you and our experts. So now it is my great pleasure to address you on this valedictory session of this course. We will conclude here, and I hope this course will enrich all of you, and we will have the more like in this journey of learning, we will have more collaboration, and we keep in touch through Google Classroom. Whenever you have any doubt, you can post the query there even after the course. So firstly, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to our FDP team, then our dedicated resource persons.
Sir, can we have the session recordings?
This time we have not done any session recordings. We have uploaded all the presentations, all code on the Google Classroom because there were some issues were there. So because of that reason, we have not done any recording this time.
Okay, sir.
So now any other feedback? We have given the feedback and we have received also the feedback. But apart from this, if anyone would like to give any feedback so that we can improve in the future courses. So just another 2-3 minutes, then we'll conclude. So any feedback from any participant? Any scope of improvement? Any observations? Regarding the other presentations, we have requested the resource persons, might be today or maybe by Monday. They may post us. As soon as we will receive, we will post on the Google Classroom. So we have a calendar. Even we have some industry-related courses are also there. If you see our calendar here, I'm sharing the link. If you click on this link, also we are organizing one offline course. Boarding and lodging will be free, so interested participants can join that course. So here I'm sharing the information. So in the month of October, from 7th to 11th October, we have one course on AI for Industry 4.0 in collaboration with IBM. So this is a contact mode. This will be held at NITTR Chandigarh. Boarding and lodging will be provided free to all the faculty members. So we have limited seats. So I request those who are interested, they can apply online.
Sir, Dr. Ruchi Gupta from AKGEC this side.
Ji, ma'am.
Sir, I just want to know that as a remote center, AKGEC, so we need to send a feedback form individually or for single form from the remote center?
It's up to you. Sometimes some remote center they send individual, sometimes they send as a group. So it's up to you. So it's
because
up to you.
the quiz is shared by every individual with their login ID. And I have just sent one feedback form from the remote center, which I has received a format.
Right. So one is sufficient. Okay. So that so you can even write what are the future scope or any other improvements we can do in that form only.
So only one feedback form we have shared from our reports.
Right. So you need to send by post.
Yes.
Right.
Okay, thank you.
Any other query from any remote center participant? So now we have two type of participants are there. One is from remote centers. We have 14 remote centers. We have given some forms to the coordinator. As soon as we receive the hard copy, we will release the certificates. And the other participants, based on the attendance, based on other criteria, on 5th August, next week, that on 5th August, they can download the certificates from their login. They can log in and they can download. In case if they have any query, they can contact to the this email I'm sharing here, our FDP team.
Sir, all the soft copies are also shared on this FDP?
No, we require hard copies.
No soft copies?
From remote center.
Okay.
No soft copies are required.
And hard copy address is